garlic basil lamb casserole or garlic basil lamb bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mutton recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the basic lamb recipes and one of the most delicious of the basil lamb bowl recipes. Today we are going to make garlic basil lamb casserole. We have taken around 300 grams of lamb pieces or mutton pieces, thoroughly cleaned. Taken around 200 to 300 grams of basil, thoroughly cleaned and boiled. Put in the basil pieces into the grinder. Close and grind well. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. Let it saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute thoroughly. Now put in some salt taste. Salt thoroughly. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Saute thoroughly saute mix. Put in the mutton pieces. So we mix some mutton pieces with the rest of the mix until the mutton pieces are nicely incorporated. Put in the ground basil, thoroughly mixing the ground basil, the rest of the mixture, and the mutton pieces, the lamb pieces. And pour in 200 to 300 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 60 minutes in the casserole. After closing, cooking for the required time. Open. Now the garlic basil lamb casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic basil lamb casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most different of the lamb casserole recipes and one of the most different of the basil lamb recipes and one of the most delicious of the basil recipes and one of the most easiest to make the lamb recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.